If you're a homeowner in Sugarland, TX, you understand how the local climate can affect your property. With its hot summers and mild winters, it's crucial to ensure your home is as energy efficient and comfortable as possible. One of the most impactful upgrades you can make is installing new windows. Not only does it improve your home's aesthetic appeal, but it offers a variety of other benefits that make it a wise investment. Here are 10 reasons why you should consider installing new windows in your Sugarland property. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the most significant benefits of installing new windows is improved energy efficiency. Modern windows come equipped with energy-saving features, such as double or triple glazing and low-E coatings, which help to minimize heat transfer. During the scorching summer months, they keep cool air inside, reducing the need for air conditioning. In the winter, they prevent heat from escaping, helping you maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round while lowering your energy bills. Increased property value. New windows can increase the overall value of your property. Potential buyers are always on the lookout for homes that are energy efficient and well maintained. Installing high-quality, modern windows gives your home a fresh look and appeals to homebuyers who want to avoid having to make costly repairs. This investment can yield a strong return when it's time to sell your home. Improved curb appeal. Your windows play a significant role in the exterior aesthetics of your property. Whether you're looking to give your home a more contemporary look or just want to update outdated frames, new windows can dramatically enhance your curb appeal. With various styles, materials, and finishes available, you can select windows that perfectly match your home's architectural style and color scheme, making it more attractive to passers-by and guests. Better noise insulation. Living in Sugarland means enjoying suburban tranquility, but road traffic, neighbors, or local activities might still create noise disturbances. New windows, especially those with double or triple glazing, provide excellent noise insulation. This can create a quieter and more peaceful living environment by reducing the amount of sound that enters your home. Increased comfort. Older windows often allow drafts and uncomfortable temperatures to seep inside. Installing new windows eliminates this issue, creating a more comfortable environment in every room. The better insulation that modern windows provide means fewer cold spots and warmer floors in the winter, while keeping the heat out during summer. This ensures that your home stays comfortable no matter the season. Reduced UV damage. Over time, UV rays from the sun can fade furniture, flooring, and artwork in your home. New windows with UV blocking features can reduce the harmful effects of these rays, preserving the integrity of your interior decor. With less UV damage, you'll save money on replacements and keep your furniture looking vibrant for much longer. Easier maintenance. Many of today's window materials are designed to be low maintenance. Vinyl windows, for example, require very little upkeep compared to older wood frames that often need to be sanded, painted, or treated regularly. With new windows, you'll spend less time worrying about cleaning, painting, or repairing, and more time enjoying your home. Improved safety and security. Modern windows are designed with better locking mechanisms and safety features. They are often made from stronger, more durable materials, providing better protection against break-ins. Some windows are equipped with security features such as laminated glass or impact-resistant frames that can deter intruders and keep your family safe. Better ventilation. New windows can help improve airflow and ventilation in your home. Many modern windows are designed to open and close more smoothly, allowing fresh air to circulate through your living spaces. Proper ventilation is crucial for maintaining a healthy indoor environment, reducing the risk of mold, and improving air quality. Long-term saving. While the initial cost of installing new windows may seem like a significant investment, the long-term savings are substantial. With improved energy efficiency, lower maintenance costs, and the ability to preserve your home's interior, you'll see a return on your investment. Over time, your energy bills will decrease, and you'll enjoy the benefits of living in a more comfortable, secure, and aesthetically pleasing home. Conclusion. Installing new windows in your Sugar Land property is a smart choice for both immediate and long-term benefits. From enhancing energy efficiency and reducing noise to increasing the value of your home and improving your overall comfort, the advantages are clear. Whether you plan to stay in your home for years to come or are looking to sell, upgrading your windows is a worthwhile investment that will pay off in more ways than one.